The cost of powering and heating your home is a big investment, so it's no big surprise that people are looking for new ways and advanced technologies to save energy. But before you get going, first things first. The most important step is to make sure your home is as energy efficient as possible. That way, you'll already be saving money, plus you'll need to make a smaller investment in advanced technologies to power your home. More and more New Yorkers are turning to renewable energy sources to help control the cost of powering their homes. What do I mean by renewable energy? I'm talking about solar, wind, and geothermal power. Take solar photovoltaics, or PV, for example. PV harnesses the power of the sun and converts it into electricity. To get a better idea of how PV works, I'm here in Schenectady to meet architect David Sadowski and PV installer Mike Stengel. Hi, Mike. Hi, Dave.
Hi, Wendy. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good, thanks.
I saw a picture of the site not too long ago, and I can't believe the transformation.
It's amazing, isn't it? This is one of 3 properties the city of Schenectady is building for low-income families on distressed sites. And there are several more of them in the works.
You would never guess it's a new home. It really blends in with the surrounding neighborhood, doesn't it?
Absolutely. The response from the community to these homes has been tremendous.
But it's more than a beautiful house, isn't it? I understand it has some pretty amazing energy-saving features.
That's right. It's one of the first totally green LEED certified homes in New York State. LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. It means it meets tough federal criteria for environmental responsibility.
So how does a home become LEED certified?
There are many ways a home can become LEED certified. In this case, it all began with a PV panel like this one right here.
Mike, can you explain how a PV system works?
Photons from the sun hit silicon atoms in the PV panel and release electrons. These electrons then flow through the circuitry and produce electricity. We connect the solar system to the utility grid. This is called grid-tied or grid-connected PV system.
And what does that mean?
A grid-connected PV system allows you to send extra electricity produced by your system back to the utility. This is known as net metering. Net metering can spin your electric meter backwards whenever your solar system is producing more electricity than your home is using. Any energy you send to the utility is credited to your account, lowering your monthly utility bill.
I imagine that's a popular feature. Now, how big a system did you have to install for this house?
We put in a 2.28 kilowatt PV system. The 12 panels on the left are solar electric panels that generate electricity to run the home. Lights, appliances, that kind of thing. The 2 panels on the right are solar thermal collectors that provide hot water to the house.
Incredible. How long did all this take to install?
Only about 2 to 3 days. It was great because we used the installation as an opportunity to train students who are studying to become skilled workers in the energy efficiency and renewable energy fields. We work with schools like Hudson Valley Community College as part of NYSERDA's Renewable Energy Workforce Initiative. The program helps to ensure we have the highly skilled workers we need to design, install, and maintain renewable energy systems across the state.
It sounds like a great program.
It is. Renewable energy is a real growth area.
I'm glad to hear it. Well, let's go inside and check out the rest of the home. I've got to say that the first thing you notice about this house is that it has everything you would want in a home.
It does, doesn't it? It also incorporates universal design, which is design flexibility for people of all ages and physical capabilities. Plus, it's a New York Energy Star labeled home, so it features some of the most advanced energy-saving technologies available. Everything from a PV system to Energy Star qualified appliances to high levels of insulation and heat recovery ventilators.
Did all the high-tech additions make this an expensive build?
Well, that's the great thing. The city spent just under $110 a square foot to build this house. The average cost for a new home in this area is $150 per square foot. And the important thing for the families is that they'll save on their energy bills now and in the future.
What kind of savings are we talking about?
The homeowners will save about $200 per month on their utility bill. That's $2,400 per year and $72,000 over a 30-year period.
Wow, that's real money. And a big part of the savings is from the PV system you installed, right?
That's right. The PV system will supply more than half of the home's electricity.
Mike and Dave, thanks so much for showing me this home. It is so great to see how PV is helping people reduce the costs of powering their homes.
Another advanced technology option is geothermal. Now, geothermal heating and cooling systems take advantage of the fact that soil temperatures are usually warmer than the air in the winter and cooler than the air in the summer. Even in northern climates, our soil maintains a temperature of around 50 to 60 degrees in the upper 10 feet of the Earth's surface. So how can this help us? Well, heat pumps transfer this heat energy from the soil to the house in the winter and operate in reverse in the summer, pulling heat out of the house and to the soil. Heat pumps can use dramatically less electricity than conventional electric heating and cooling systems, so you save money. NYSERDA is doing a lot in New York to make advanced technologies a reality. They work with partners that have training programs for system designers and installers, and also provide financial assistance to promote new technologies and make all of this accessible to more people.
NYSERDA's cash back incentives can cover 40 to 45% of a typical systems installation. Plus, federal and state tax credits and low-interest loans may be available to reduce costs even more.
To learn more about making these technologies part of your home, call 1-877-NY-SMART.
Or log on to getenergysmart.org. Get started. Call or log on today.